if you are unable to visit physically on Jantar Mantar right now, still your voice have a constitutional weight. As a sovereign citizen, we have a duty to stand up for democratic accountability in a very peaceful and respectful and a legitimate manner. On the 20th July, I sent a formal message to the Supreme Court of India, the highest constitutional institution of our country, and the one who is the protector and guardian of our fundamental right. I want to read exact text what I had submitted. To the Registrar and the Chief Justice of India, Supreme Court of India, New Delhi. Respectful Sir and Ma'am, Shiv Kumar Yadav, it means me, a sovereign citizen of Republic of India, in whom the ultimate power and sovereignty of nation vested under the preamble and the Constitution of India, we the people. I am writing to formally, respectfully directing the Supreme Court to execute its constitutional obligation. The judiciary derives its authority from the citizen, and as a stakeholder in this democracy, I bring the following matters to the immediate action. The first point, protection of the fundamental rights. The hundred of citizens are currently protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi, demanding for the designation of Union Education Minister. The Supreme Court is respectfully directed to ensure their absolute protection and guarantee their right to peacefully assemble under the Article 91B is not violated by any state mechanism. Second point, the judiciary intervention against executive failure. Under Article 32 of our Constitution, this court is ultimate guarantor of the fundamental right. Point 3. When the public dissatisfaction reaches this scale over the governance failure, the court not remain a passive spectator. The fourth point, you are mandated to take suo motu cognizance of grievances being raised by the public. The fifth point, the institution of this country is stabilized to serve its people. Therefore, this is the representation serve as a direct call from a citizen of India for the Supreme Court to actively uphold the rule of law, protect and hold the constitutional accountability for the citizen of India. And this is call for you all. I am requesting to each and every citizen who is watching right now, if you believe in the rule of law and supporting to the all citizen of our country and want that the government must be accountable for all the act, all the policy, all the rule, all the things what they are doing in our country for the people, then so please take a moment, write in a very respectful manner and send it to the Supreme Court of India, ultimate guarantor and protector of our fundamental right. The Supreme Court is the highest constitutional guardian. Let us exercise our democratic right, responsibility, politely, lawfully and within the boundary of the Constitution. Send your email, uphold peace and let your voice be heard. It's my humble request. Go, write and send the mail to the Supreme Court of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.